lost it. It's off. You might actually make it through there. Still doing pretty good there with 3 tires. Get out and run, Kevin. Finish up. Get out and run it. Let's see it. Pretty good time. Get out and run.
He's coming out the other side.
Missing a front tire, Kevin.
You know, run!
It's up by the end of the road here. He's all done.